Hi, Holistic Health Coach here with another video presentation. And in this video, let's learn how to use turmeric to heal the body of inflammation, especially at a cellular level from a bioavailability and absorption point of view. Use organic turmeric if possible. 1 tablespoon if you are using it for therapeutic purpose, or 1 teaspoon for general health and its anti-inflammatory benefits. The active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin. The problem is the liver sees curcumin as an alien and hence tries to excrete it, which is why using turmeric by itself has the least absorption and very less health benefits. Hence, we need to combine turmeric with ground black pepper. The active ingredient in black pepper is piperine. Research shows that combining turmeric with black pepper increases the bioavailability of curcumin in the blood by up to 2000%. Now, curcumin is a fat-soluble nutrient, hence adding healthy fats like coconut oil or grass-fed clarified butter makes it more bioavailable through the lymphatic system for its healthful purpose. Finally, heating all of these ingredients together helps in the extraction and blending of all the nutrients. So it's easy for the body to put it to use right away.